Once you get to 64,000 followers, I'll do the handstand. Stop it now! You're not coming out! Stop! Everybody, if you want to see me dance in this outfit, go subscribe to my TikTok subscription. I am dancing. It's gonna be like mostly dancing, having fun, wearing cool outfits that I can't wear on TikTok live and dancing. So everybody, yes, hit that follow button. Hit that like button, everybody. Let's get to 4,000 likes. Everybody hit that like button 2 times for me. Just twice. Tap, tap, tap. Tap that screen, y'all. Tap that screen. While I vacuum up these kids' messes. Thank you so much. Oh, I thought I turned gifting off. Oh, well. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Don M. Thank you, everybody. Kenneth Brown, make sure you smash that tap button, like it. We're almost at 4,000 likes. Come on, everybody. Hit that like button 2 more times for me.
Yummy! Okay, I'll go first. Then you can follow, okay? Ready? 3.
Thank you, everybody.